Mebura Kita, who lives in Kabunyata village in Kamira sub-county Luweero district, borrowed money from Centenary Bank to plant 30 acres of maize. 15 million
to clear the garden planting.
However, a month after planting, her garden was invaded by African armyworm, a pest that attacks cereals and grasses.
This black worm has destroyed all the 30 acres.
In a period of only 2 weeks, the 30 acres of maize had been eaten up. Another farmer, Padina Habwe, says that in addition to the destruction of his crops, the armyworms have also eaten the pasture for his animals.
And so they have really raised the ground to have nowhere to graze the cows.
For example, where we are standing, all the grass has been eaten.
According to the farmers, the worms are swift and move in big numbers, causing mass destruction.
They come in a group. They have destroyed each and every green which is around, more especially the maize.
They have asked the government for help because even with the pesticide they are using, the worms continue wreaking havoc.
It leaves only those crops with big leaves, like beans and others, but all other crops have been eaten.
You can even see here, the farm, the plants have all gotten wiped out. And this is food. This is why we get food for our households.
I'm requesting the government to help us with what? With the seeds, so that we can replant.
Where necessary support is required, definitely as government we shall intervene. We can't let people to go hunger or anything.
According to agronomists, the pest is migratory and is believed to have come from Asia.
The pest migrates in the form of a moth. The adult moth is the causative agent of the pest. When the moth reaches a suitable ground, it lays eggs. The eggs hatch into larvae. After hatching into the larva is the most active of all stages.
Nsada says the larva stages of 2 types, the black and green caterpillars, the black being the more disastrous one.
So currently what we are experiencing is that the black moths or the black caterpillars are indiscriminative in feeding, and they can feed on grass, they can feed on any sort of green vegetation as long as it's palatable to eat.
What I need to assure our farmers with the onset of rains, like the eggs, when it is raining very well, they get washed off and they die in the process.
The Commissioner for Crop Protection in the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries, Stephen Tibaijuka, says they have dispatched more than 2,000 liters of pesticides to the affected districts.
That we are using now to support local governments to go and demonstrate to our farmers that the recommended pesticide for this type of caterpillar is cypermethrin 5-EC. And we are saying you mix 100 mils to 120 mils in 20 liters of water.
According to the Ministry of Agriculture, the crop pest has been detected in more than 19 districts, including Luweero, Nakaseke, Nakasongola, Mokono, Wakiso, Katakwi, Busia, Mityana, Iganga and Kasese. Habat Kamoga, NTV.